Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I will be guiding you through how to save draft in AOL Mail application. To save a draft in AOL Mail, follow the video until the very end. Start off by opening up your AOL Mail application from your app drawer. Make sure that you are logged into your account by entering your username and then your password. Once you are signed into your AOL Mail account, tap on the inbox button at the bottom left. You will now end up in your inbox page. Tap on the pencil icon at the top right corner in order to create a new email. Inside the to field, type in the email address of the recipient. Once you are done with it, add a subject for your email on the next field where it says subject. Now you can start composing an email you would like to put as a draft. After you are done composing an email, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and tap on Save Draft. Your message will now be saved into the draft folder. Simply go ahead and tap on the inbox drop-down at the bottom left and select Drafts in order to open up the email. Now you will be able to find the email on your draft. You can make further edits for your email if you wish and send the email to the recipient later according to your time preference. So that was how you can easily save draft in AOL Mail. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.